Hi, everybody. As we are beginning to finally see the light at the end of this tunnel, I just wanted to take a few minutes and say thank you so much for sticking with us. The original Dare Lead program was scheduled for March, and when that didn't happen, we tried for May 19th, and unfortunately, we were not quite there yet. So we're excited now to tell you that we do have a date for you in August. It's going to be August 25th. And more information will come to you about that from the College of Business. So I just want to say thank you to you and say thank you to University of Louisville for seeing the value in this program. But something exciting is we didn't want to let all this time pass with nothing happening. So on May 19th, we are going to have about a 30-minute webinar for you guys to tune in. I'll be talking about some of the Dare to Lead basic principles, and you'll have the opportunity to ask questions. You can even email me with questions ahead of time. My email address is leah@leah-brown.com. And we'll just kind of talk through some of these things. It would have been great if we had had this information before this craziness happened, because I think there's some really tremendous principles that we could have all used during this time. So thanks again for sticking with us. Again, August 25th is our rescheduled date. And don't forget, we also have a couple of classes that are scheduled as well. We've got classes at the end of June and in July. So if you're interested in the full 2-day Dare to Lead program, please reach out to the College of Business and they can give you more information about that. But until then, I can't wait to see you on May 19th. And we'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.